Is your phone slow or you want it to be faster than how it is now? I'll be teaching you how to do that in this video. First of all, close or minimize apps. No matter how much gigabyte RAM your phone might have, closing minimized apps helps to free up space in your phone's random access memory. Leaving a lot of apps open in the background takes up a lot of space in your RAM, which makes the current app which you are using to be slow and laggy. Secondly, uninstall unused apps. Over time, we download a lot of apps which we no longer need or use. Our smartphone comes with loads of apps which are no longer necessary. Uninstalling and disabling these apps creates a lot of space in our phone. At this point, I can no longer stress the importance of having more space in your phone. Generally, the more space you have in your phone, especially for the random access memory which is the RAM, the better the performance of your phone. Use lightweight versions of apps where possible. The CPU of some smartphones might find it difficult to process some heavy apps. These apps in turn sometimes release lightweight versions of their applications, for instance the TikTok Lite, the Facebook Lite, the Messenger Lite and the rest of them. These lightweight apps require less processing power, which in turn makes it use smoother and faster. Of course, this lightweight version of these apps come with lesser features than its original version, but it's nothing to worry about. Finally, I'm going to show you a trick to make your phone feel faster. To do this trick, go to your phone settings and look for build number. For my phone, the build number is under my phone. I scroll down and here's my build number. I type it 7 times. I'm already a developer for this phone, so the developer option is already activated. I go into my system, I go into developer options, then I look for transition animation scale, animation duration scale, and Windows animation scale. Here is the transition animation scale. I reduce it to 0.5. Here is the animation duration scale. I reduce it to 0.5. And here is my Windows animation scale. I also reduce it to 0.5. Changing these settings reduces the time it takes animations to display on your phone, in turn making your phone feel faster. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. My name is Nwachukwu. This is Service Scope and I'll see you in the next video.